Greetings, artists. The next step in our Elements of Art, studying line and shape, we are going to draw a sphere. It won't matter whether you draw in the horizontal or vertical position on your paper. Due to the nature of the sphere, the orientation of the paper doesn't matter. I'm going to show you several ways to draw a sphere. On my first attempt, I will freehand. Notice that I go to the line first and then put the pencil to the paper. On my next attempt, I will use guide dots, and I'll go from dot to dot until I achieve my circle. I got really wonky somewhere in there and was not satisfied, so I gave it another try. My next attempt came out better, but I think I prefer my freehand. Spheres can be tricky and take a lot of practice, but the more you do it, the more you improve. So hang in there. Be sure to label your sphere, sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E. Next up, we will draw a rectangular prism. As always, we'll start out with our guide dots. I'll draw directional arrows so I know which way to go from my guide dots. And then I'll go to the line and connect the dots. Please make sure that your paper is in the vertical position before you begin your rectangular prism. Again, please make sure your paper is in the vertical position before drawing your rectangular prism. I will be sure to keep referencing the rectangular prism as I'm working. I'll start with the bottom right, move to the top, and then over to the left and down to the bottom left. Another key for drawing from observation or from reference is to draw the thing that's largest and closest to you. So I'm starting with the side, that large side facing me, before I draw the back side. So I'll go facing side, side view, top. Once you have everything down on paper, then you can check for things that might be out of place or maybe your proportions are off. I didn't notice while I'm drawing, but now that I'm watching the video and playback, my upper right side is a bit off. Those angles are askew and they should be parallel. So my top right angle or my top right line for that back edge needs to come down a bit. That's why it's great to have a fresh pair of eyes. Once you've completed your rectangular prism, be sure to label it, and thank you.